Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by resetting the phone's radios. Flip airplane mode on, count to 10, then turn it off. This forces a fresh network search. Next, make sure your carrier settings and OS are current because outdated profiles block registration. Check the SIM now, power down, remove the tray, inspect for damage, then reseat firmly. This reestablishes the electrical contact. Once done, power up and watch the signal bars. If they change, you've already fixed most common startup issues. Now you move into connection control. Open cellular settings and try a manual network selection. Pick your carrier to bypass bad automatic choices. If you have 5G issues, switch to 4G or LTE to gauge stability because newer bands can be intermittent. Also, test signal strength in multiple locations: a room corner, by a window, or outside. This isolates building interference. Make sure to reboot after each change so the phone re-registers cleanly, and note which change improved reception. Finish by switching to backup pathways. Enable Wi-Fi calling if available because it hands calls and texts over your internet, an immediate fix indoors. If problems persist, check for carrier outages and contact support with your MA and precise location. They can provision service or confirm tower issues. As a final step, try a factory reset or test a known good SIM in your phone. If the issue follows the device, consider repair or replacement. If nothing works, one key tip: try the phone in a different city to rule out local network faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.